to not being relevant. Like, you need to have both blog or a podcast, and you should have one or the other.
Getting every spare minute I have where I could listen to Pandora or whatever, except when we're on the truck. I do play Pandora, but when I'm personally by myself, I always have Gary V in my AirPods, whether it's his podcast, his blog, Ask Gary V show, whatever. And this morning, I'm listening to an older one, but this just came on.
You know, I guess I'm hedging, but like, to me, it's you become vulnerable to not being relevant. Like, you need to have both blog or a podcast, and you should have one or the other. Period. Like, to me, ironically, actually, it's the first time I'm saying this. To me, ironically, if you do not have a blog or a podcast right now, you're just leaving an enormous amount of opportunity. To me, you know, I guess I'm hedging, but like, to me, it's you become vulnerable to not being relevant. Like, you need to have both of them, one of them, or you need to be an actual celebrity. Like, to me, it's the only thing that equals having a television show or being an actor or actress. Or
you got to be a practitioner, and that's what we're doing. Trying to document this whole journey. And I'm pretty sure we'll be historically right. And we're a month into it, you know, and like, I control the controllable, and I don't fuck with what I can't control. And you know, people thumbs down on our vlogs, like, that shit doesn't bother me. Like, the negative comments, I can't control that. But people are going to leave negative comments, but we're a month into this, and yeah, we don't have a lot of subscribers, but this is a long game, and people want instant gratification, and I know this is going to take a while to build up, and that's what we're doing here. You know, like, I think we've only got 20, maybe a couple more than 20 vlogs up, and we're just getting rolling. We're learning, we're trying new stuff, and we're going to keep doing that, and it's going to, my hope is that it really grabs traction, subscribers go up, but it's not for, like, I'm doing this to really document it and then be able to look back, like, where we were and then where we're at 3-5 years down the road. So I just thought it was cool, you know, that came on this morning. So,
like, it's a pillar.
Let's
keep listening. Radiator fluid, I'll pour some in when we get to the gas station. I am really wanting a response from the real estate guy. The Domino's location there, they're wanting to make a deal. They're wanting to make it happen. And if we can't do Parkway Point, then that's probably what we'll do. Because we're definitely not doing the Chapel Hill Road one. That one too far out and like way too much office space. Like, I just don't need that. So hopefully we'll find out soon. It should be in this the clip of Gary's talking about the vlog, and that you need a pillar to really be relevant in modern 2018 digital age, and like a book is a pillar, right? And the vlog is the new age, or a podcast. And the podcast, that's something I'm super interested in, and I'm not sure how that plays out, but that's why me and Josh are going to New York City in like a week and a half for VaynerMedia's VoiceCon conference to kind of figure out how we can play in that arena. But this vlog isn't for like 2018, it's like 2020, 21, 22, and you know, Cousins Maine Lobster started in 2012 or 11, I think, and they just put out a book. But this vlog is documenting everything we're doing and we're going through that they wrote a book about, and people can experience this themselves, what we're going through. So that's the real reason, you know. It's repetitive why I said we're doing it, to kind of look back on and document the entire process, but it's also a pillar, and you got to stay relevant, and that's what we're trying to do here. So, and not get cut off by this Jeep. My lane's about to end. But yeah. Gonna be a warm one. Alright, we're here making a note that we are 22 minutes early. It never happens. But today it did. Which means I probably forgot something super important. Let's hope not. I'm gonna rock and roll. Like an hour left. Kind of a lull right now, but it's been super busy. Ran into an issue with the printer this morning. The last time we were here, we had service problems with the internet or whatever, and so it was super slow. But this morning we couldn't get our printer to connect, and so we were having to handwrite tickets, and then we had to shut it down, reset it, yada yada yada. But other than that, it's going good. Got the tents up, keep people cool, I guess. And you'll have already seen at this point that people are enjoying the tent, so Stoke made that call. But yeah, it's we'll probably get another rush during the last hour. It's 12:45, so into the lunch crowd, but just keep getting it.
Giving Buoy Bowl a try today. Search you guys out, and looking forward to giving it a try.
Hi, my name is Angie. This is the first time I've ever had a Buoy Bowl. I'm super excited. I've actually been trying to follow them all around town, and so I'm going to try my first bite, see what I think. This one has Nutella in it. See? Oh yeah, that's really good.
Really glad the tents are up today. Helps with the hot day and keeping me and the little babe cool. I love coming to Buoy Bowls after I work out. It's a great post-workout meal.
And I love the tents at Buoy Bowls because it's really hot outside.
Hi, my name's Caroline. I'm the winner of the Instagram BB60, and this is my first time having Buoy Bowls. I'm really excited to see how it goes.
Alright, so we are out of here at North Chase Business Park, North Raleigh. I plan on getting acai from the cold storage, but their cutoff is at 1:30. I was hoping I could talk them into letting me come later today, but it's not going to happen, so I'll have to be up super early to go do that. But right now we're going to take the team to eat at Cowfish. I'm hungry, and it's a good restaurant close by, so we're gonna head there. But great shift today. It was warm, it's getting warmer, and it's gonna keep getting a lot warmer. And so the tents do help keeping people in the shade. But when it gets North Carolina straight up humid and hot, I think we'll get not as busy. Like in the wintertime we were super busy because people don't mind like bundling up and the cold and waiting, but when it's 95 and humid, and I don't think people want to come out, and that'll be one of the upsides if we can get the spot to Cary, make it a storefront and a commissary. So I think we'll still be busy throughout the summer. I mean, we damn sure were last year. But anyways, we're headed to Cowfish now, get some grub. Gonna have to be a fast lunch, but I want to treat the team to a lunch, and then we're gonna start. I don't know who I was telling, but we're gonna start doing like a team dinner once a month. I think that'll be pretty cool. Just to kind of build that culture, you know, within the family. So get a little food, restock the truck, get ready for the 5:30 shift in Holly Springs. Pushing it as usual. Truck's loaded back up, and we're headed to Holly Springs Academy for our Thursday night shift. It's usually a slam-packed shift. I don't know how the heat's going to affect it, but we will soon find out if I can get over. I wonder if they're going to be at Bombshell. Find out. I know they were. Oh boy.
Yeah, good.
Looks like it's going to.
Looks like they already got your fucking spot, too.
Probably. Looks like
That right beside a Mustang now.
gonna be a busy one probably. We're kind of in the shade, so that's good. So I'm not even gonna fuck with the temps.
I wouldn't either.
It's
9-10 Thursday, just wrapped up double shift. They're always super, super long when we, on double shift Thursdays, we're at 6 forks this morning, and then a short break in between, which was super dope. We went to Cowfish for lunch, which you'll see in this, you'll probably have already seen it by now. And then Thursday night in Holly Springs, and super busy. I think we served our last customer at like 8:20, maybe closer to 8:30, and we got that last bowl out. The lightning and rain came, so super stoked for everybody that came out. The support means everything. Just grinding. It is going on 15 hours, and I still got a couple left, prepping and getting ready for an early wake up so I can be in like Wake Forest tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. to pick up acai, so we have that to keep going. But yeah, man, it's just hard work. That's what this takes, and that's why we're documenting it, so we can look back and see it. So I don't want to repeat anything I've said. I feel like sometimes I do that, but super thankful for everybody that came out today. My team making it happen. Maddie worked a double today with me. It's hard work. This is not, and I said it before, it's not an easy job. Like, it is wide open, hard ass work. And Casey, Kylie, Olivia, Maddie, and just and Alyssa. I thought I just said Alyssa, so thanks guys. But yeah, man, just another good Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. We're Lifetime at Apex. It's gonna be another super busy Friday. It always is. So yeah, I'm just tired, and I'm gonna get out of here, get this thing cleaned down for good, and then be back at it bright and early tomorrow.
I used to go to Clean Juice, but I came here today, and I'm really excited because it's really pretty.
So I just want to say that I love buoy bowls. I tried them one time and then I got hooked. I keep them in my freezer just in case I can't make it on a certain day, but they're great. They come back easy. You can put them in the microwave, you can put them in some hot water, and they come back, and then you can have more.